Are you tired of kids, roommates, or coworkers getting into things they shouldn't? Well, I'm going to show you a lock that you can put on just about any cabinet in under 5 minutes with zero drilling that should sufficiently deter them. Let's get started. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product review. Today we're looking at the Anweller Smart Cabinet Lock and 3 things you need to know about. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thing number 1. This is an invisible installation, or nearly. I mean, depending on how you have to do it, there may be some signs that has high security features like anti-prying, anti-vandalism, anti-keep your nose out of my business. This can also be looked at as something called security by obscurity, because even if you know what to look for, you may not see anything. Thing number 2, the Smart Cabinet Lock can be unlocked by the mobile app, Apple Watch, RFID Card, which they do send with it, NFC, and Alexa voice. This has got potential. And like I said, even if you know what to look for, you may not see this. Thing number 3, it runs on 2 AA batteries, which can be for standby power for up to 365 days, up to 6,000 lock and unlock procedures. It has a battery indicator and a low battery reminder in the app, so if you're passing nearby, you're going to have an indication of how the battery is looking, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to put something on your calendar just in case. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus item, get your lock fully configured and working before you install, because if you don't, you're going to run the risk, and I've seen some comments on the forum, you're going to have a drawer locked, and the manual tells you this. You're going to have a drawer locked and may not be able to get into it without some Herculean effort and possibly some damage to the drawer or the furniture that it's in. Take a look at this one. Think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.